question is asking us to calculate the molar mass and also deduce the formula of the oxide. And science students, you know that Avogadro's number has been given. And 1 mole of any compound or any gas is equal to the Avogadro's number. And 1 mole of this very particular compound or gas we are talking about is the same thing as the relative molecular mass or the molar mass. We are saying that 1 mole of the oxide of nitrogen is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. And this 1 mole of this oxide of nitrogen is the same thing as its molar mass. If I can determine what this Avogadro's constant will give me in mass, it becomes the molar mass of this very particular compound. To power 23 contains 2.303 of that oxide of nitrogen. Let's assume that oxide of nitrogen is this. So what the Avogadro's number will give us 0.2 times 10 raised to power 23 we contain, what we have to do now is to cross multiply and divide by this. So if we cross multiply, we're going to have 6.0.01 multiplied by this. So and this will give us 46 grams or gram per mole. And this 46 gram per mole is the molar mass of the oxide of this nitrogen. Because 1 mole of this gas is equivalent to Avogadro's number. So let us deduce the formula of the oxide. So if the formula of the oxide is NX, we do not know, is equal to 46. Now it means that nitrogen is 14x plus oxygen is 16y is equal to 46. So let's try when x is equal to 1. Because the two variables, they did not give us any value of x or y. So let us try 1 as x and see the oxide of nitrogen we are going to have if it exists. So if we try 1, means we have 14 plus 16y is equal to 46. So if we do this here, we have 16y 2 divided by 16, which is equal to 2. Except if y is 2, which means the oxide of nitrogen will be N, which is nitrogen 4 oxide.